Hey guys, Nandini here. First of all, thank you very much for making the first online workshop such a huge super hit. Thank you very much for all the positive, reviews. Thank you for so many of you reaching out to me on WhatsApp and on Facebook and appreciating the program. Thank you to all the participants who attended the first workshop. Thank you to those of you who inquired about the second one as well, and thank you to all of those who attended the webinar and then you were asking me more questions after that. So finally, I am going to be talking about what the next workshop, the second workshop on content writing is going to include. Although the content is more or less going to be the same, there is some change in the way in which I'm going to administer this training this time. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be explaining how I'm going to be administering this training program and what are the different components of the training program across the 5 days. Basically it's 5 + 1, 6 days overall. And if you want, you can attend my free webinar before that, and also have a look at what exactly will be included in this. But this video is sufficient for you to go through and purchase the program straight away. Okay, and also the price that I'm offering this time is absolutely competitive as well. I'm going to teach a lot of things, which possibly you may not be able to find anywhere else. Okay, I bet the kind of stuff that I'm going to teach in this workshop is like one of the top class, and all the things that are necessary to have your own website, to become a blogger, to write content, and understand the different forms of content, as well as how really you can create products and services and monetize your blogs. All of this is covered. Apart from this, even some digital branding techniques is covered, which will give you a completely different different it will give you a different exposure about how the digital platforms work, and how you can set out on this journey to become a digital entrepreneur. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'll show you the mind map of what this training program includes in this month. Okay, in this month's session. Okay, so as of now, this is like the frozen model for the coming months as well. In case there are any changes, I'll be recording one more video and uploading here. Okay, all right, so the day 0 of the training program is going to be the induction of all the new participants who come in. Okay, and I will be introducing you guys to the topics in that I'm going to be covering in the 5 days, and will help you pre-frame yourselves for the journey. Please note, this is only for those who pay up the money and join me. Okay, this is not for anyone. This is for people who pay up the money and join this training program. So the day 0 as an induction is going to be for all those who join me after paying the fees. Okay, and so it'll be an introduction session to topics, will help you pre-frame yourselves for the journey, and I will also help you find your why before you start. Okay, now when you're setting out on this journey to become a blogger, content writer, or for that matter, starting your own website and monetizing it, you are starting out on a journey to become a digital entrepreneur. So I'll be explaining all that you require to become one, and all the reasons you need to become a digital entrepreneur. Okay, because this is a long term game, guys. Okay, being a digital entrepreneur is not like for 1 day or 2 days. It is going to be something that you're going to be following up for the rest of your life. Okay, so on day 1, I'll help you find your why. Okay, finding your why is very, very important, because unless and until you know why you're here and why you're taking up this course, you will not really understand the importance of it. Okay, this course is priceless. Let me tell you, the kind of things that I teach here, you will be baffled at the scope that digital entrepreneurship via content creation actually has. Okay, if you can master content writing forms, if you can master content writing, content creation, content marketing, you are the king of the game, literally. Okay, and the kind of organic SEO, the organic traffic that you can generate towards your website is stupendous. You cannot imagine what kind of magic and miracles you can create for your own self and for your own business. So this program, these 5 days workshop is not just for people who want to learn content writing or content creation. It is for everyone, right from digital marketers to entrepreneurs to solopreneurs to homemakers to working women, working professionals, all of those who want to master the art of content creation. This course is for you. Okay, and of course this is also for students who want to master how to write content, how to create blogs, how to start with your free or paid websites, and how to brand yourself digitally. And then after finishing this course, you might as well, if you're a student, you might as well go and do an internship with some company, or you might as well land a job. Okay, there is very much possibility that you'll straight away get a job after you understand all the different aspects. Okay, so how how sincere you are in attending this, the classes is very, very important, although the recordings are available. Okay, and you will be a lifetime student of mine once you pay up and join this. Recordings are available for a lifetime. So please make sure, if this interests you, you join it. You can go to the link, okay, which is provided below, and purchase it right away for this price. Okay, I assure you, nobody is going to teach you so much. Okay, all right. So the the schedule for day 1 is, I'll be sending you a video which is around 1.5 hours long. You'll have to watch that video first. Okay, that's a recording of the previous month's class basically. Okay, so that has everything that I'm going to be covering on that day. So watch that recording first. Okay, next thing you do is you come into your 1 hour Q&A session for that day. Okay, so during the daytime you'll have to watch that video in depth. I'll expect that you watch it in depth, take notes. Okay, make notes and properly prepare yourself with all the concepts that I've taught in that video. Next thing you're going to do is appear for the 1 hour Q&A session in the night, which is 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Okay, okay. On day 0, sorry, the induction will also be from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, so like day 0 induction will be somewhere on the possibly the 9th of August or a day before that. Okay, this particular training program has been for okay, now if this is August, this is 9th of August. Okay, now I don't know when you're going to watch this video. So primarily the induction program will be 1 day before the training starts, 1 or 2 days before the training starts, and I'll be sending you a mail about it. So it will be a 1 hour session on the induction. It can be long, slightly lengthier as well, but the day 0 is going to be an induction session. And day 1, okay, again the dates will vary according to the month for which you're watching this video. So again 1.5 hours of a video that you'll be watching. I'll be sending you a mail. I'll be enrolling into a course, and the first video will unlock itself. You'll be watching the first video on day 1, and on the same day in the night, from in between 7:30 to 8:30, you're going to come for the Q&A session and ask your questions on the same day. Okay, so I expect you to be present for the Q&A sessions. Do not miss them. Be there, okay, and ask me the questions and clarify everything. And day 1 specifically is going to be slightly heavier. Why? Because I'm going to give you like 3-4 videos together to understand how you create your own website and all of that. And apart from that, there's a 1.5 hours video which talks about how to start a website and various types of content writing. So it's quite a long day. Okay, the day 1 will be quite heavy. It will be more than say 2 hours of content that you'll have to watch, and then you'll have to appear for Q&A as well. So you'll be dedicating almost 3 hours on day 1 for getting a hang of all the concepts. Okay, now day 2 is going to be your blogging in detail. Okay, now for this again I provided a 1.5 hours video which I'll be sending to you. Okay, I'll be sending it to your I'll be enrolling you into the course. So on day 2 the video will unlock. You'll be watching the second video, which is again 1.5 hours long, and then again you'll be coming to the question answer sessions at night, which is again 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. and you'll be asking your questions. Okay, and day 3 again has a similar pattern. Okay, day 3 will cover SEO concepts that are required for websites and for blogs. Okay, please understand SEO is a very, very big subject. Okay, so I'm not going to be covering the technical aspects. This course is for anyone who does not have any technical knowledge. Okay, you will simply be learning the concepts that are required so that they can help you to take your website to the page number 1 of Google searches within 30 to 90 days. Okay, that's the whole point. So all the conceptual thing which is required I will be teaching. And no, this is not technical stuff. Okay, you may be a complete novice to digital, to blogging, to website creation. You can still do all of this easily. Okay, that's what is my goal with this training program. You can see all the testimonials on the YouTube channel. It is all coming from people who had no exposure whatsoever to any form of IT technical things. Okay, So entirely this program is for anybody, okay? And of course, if you're already an IT professional, if you're already a writer, then definitely this is like a great value addition to you. So please join the course, don't miss it at this price, okay? So again, the day 3, 1.5 hours, the video will unlock, you'll go watch it, and then again 1 hour of question answer session. So on page and off page SEO techniques will be discussed, and this will help you in taking your website quickly up, in the Google searches, okay, in the search engine rankings. Okay, day 4 is again going to be 1.5 hours of video, which will unlock, and you'll watch the video during the daytime. And this video will be about how to create your own products and service levels, okay, tools and automation, all the tools that you require, to create your graphics, create your videos, create your images, all of that. Not videos exactly, but create your images and your text and your titles and headlines, and all of that is going to be involved on day 4. Again, 1.5 hours video that you'll have to watch, and all the magic tools you can use for various writing forms, all of that also will be included. Again, in the night, question answer session at night, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, on the day 5, similar pattern. Again, 1.5 hours video will unlock, you'll watch it, okay? But on the same day, when you join me in the night, okay, the session will be longer, okay? There will be an added webinar in the night, okay? Apart from the Q&A sessions, I'm giving more time, okay, on the last day. Why? Because it will be like a goodbye session, right, for all of you. So I will be talking about digital branding again, once again in detail. A few more things I'll teach you, okay, during the webinar. I'll answer all your questions, okay? I'll not leave out any question, any doubt that you may have. Guys, let me be very clear. My goal with this program is to completely empower you with anything and everything you need, okay? So never think that you're asking me something stupid or foolish. It's not like that, okay? All of us have been at a stage where we knew nothing about website creation or blogging or content writing, or nobody, okay? None of us here are perfect, okay? So there's nothing called a perfect digital entrepreneur, and nothing like that, okay? So the point is how involved you are in this 5-day program uh, will entirely determine your success with this program, okay? So in the last day, again, question answer session at night, extra webinar content, 7:30 to 10 p.m. okay? It's going to be a considerably lengthier webinar. And of course, I'll also be speaking about the other courses that I offer and the other services that I offer on the last day, okay? So this will be like the wind up day, okay? There won't be any extra day for Q&A session, just like how we had it last month. So it's slightly different. And on day 5, I'll be completely winding up the process. Now, once this is done, okay, or along the way, I'll give you all these bonuses, okay? These bonuses themselves are worth more than rupees 7,000. Okay, trust me, go out in the market and find out. These bonuses themselves are definitely worth more than 7,000 rupees. Okay, bonus video, how to create your paid website in 30 minutes. Bonus digital business blogging blueprint course. Okay, I usually sell it for $97 or 2,000 rupees for Indian purchase for Indian customers. Okay, this entire course I'll give you for free. It's a bonus, okay? List of freelance websites to make money from. Now, based on my own experience, my own success story, I've created a list of freelance websites which I will be providing, okay? Business blogging checklist. Okay, now this is again a checklist that I have been using for years along. Okay, I've been improvising it day after day, month after month. I do keep on changing it and improvising it. So this checklist I'll provide. Then the bonus video on how to monetize your blog. This is again a very important video, because if you want to earn money with your blog, how do you do it? So this is an added video which I'll be providing to you. And of course, digital branding blueprint course to select buyers. Okay, so I'll be announcing on who these select buyers are going to be, or depending on whoever joins me after a webinar or whatever. So the point is, all of this, it's a very long list of bonuses, and trust me, only for the bonus you can join me, if not for the main course. But the main program is going to be like one outstanding program. That's my commitment to you. Okay, and if you don't find it outstanding, you ask me and I'll tell you, why this is outstanding. Okay, ask me why this is outstanding. Okay, get in touch with me. Okay, get in touch with me. I'm available on asknans.com. Okay, let me just type it here. I'm available on www.asknans.com. Okay, get in touch with me on my Facebook page. This will straight away take you to my Facebook page, asknans.com. Okay, message me, ask me details. I'll tell you, the importance of this program, okay, if you don't really understand it, because the kind of content that I'm giving here, guys, is far more than anything anywhere you'll find on the web, okay. And you'll see, I mean, once you attend it, you'll see. And I'm offering it at a very reasonable pricing, trust me, okay. And also towards the end, okay, as a surprise, there is a bloggers contest, okay. Top 3 bloggers who create blogs based on my teachings get access to my 2000 rupees worth courses for free, okay. So they'll get to some of my most important and in-depth courses for free, completely free. And I will, as I said, I will be there throughout, to answer your questions. Even after you finish the program, you can get in touch with me unless and until, there's a personal issue or something, but you can definitely get in touch with me over email and other places, and I am there to guide you and help you. Okay. All right. So I hope this video is clear. You just need to go to the purchase link now, www.talentcanvas.biz/online workshop. Okay. www.talentcanvas.biz/online workshop. Okay, don't miss out on watching the other videos, okay, on YouTube, the testimonial videos. You can see the testimonial videos, there are some 6 or 7 of them uploaded from various customers. You can also check out, this link, okay. You can also check out this link, http:/online live workshop.gr8.com. okay, this is a kind of a landing page which has all the testimonials and everything put together, all my videos and stuff. And you might as well get another hang of all that I'm providing here, guys. There's a lot of things that I'm giving away in this workshop once again, okay. And the only difference this month is that there's a difference in the way in which I'm administering it. And of course, apart from this, okay, we have like a Facebook private students only group, okay, which you will be joining right after you make the payment. You will be redirected to this page and you'll have to join this. And also WhatsApp private students only group, okay. So this is only for students, only for students who pay up for this online workshop. So it'll be very easy for all of you to ask me, not really on the WhatsApp group, you cannot ask me questions. It is only an admin based thing, and I'll be providing the daily links there and updating all the stuff. But on Facebook private students only group, a lot of things we are going to be sharing. And of course, okay, one important thing I missed out here, I'll be giving you assignments on a daily basis, okay. Assignments and activities are included as a part of the 1.5-hour video, basically. So you are expected to finish up that activity on that particular day, okay, before you come and attend the next day's the next day's session. So assignments and activities included. So I hope I have honestly I have not left any stone unturned to make sure that this training program is like a full-fledged program which will equip you to become like a grandmaster, digital entrepreneur, okay. Trust me, at this pricing, you're not going to get this anywhere. Please, okay, do not miss out on this opportunity. Just go and join it. Okay, www.talentcanvas.biz/online workshop. This will take you to an InstaMojo page where you can go and make the payment. If you are an international student watching this video, then the link is paypal.me/talentcanvas. Talentcanvas, okay, /$25, okay. For international students, this training program costs $25, $25 US. And for Indian students, you can go and see what's the pricing on talentcanvas.biz/online workshop. Okay. Now this price may also vary, depending on which month you're watching this video in video. So for the time being, I'm keeping it at $25 for international students. So, but for Indian students, again, the price keeps on varying. Right now, just go and check out talentcanvas.biz/online workshop, and you can get into the training program straight away. Okay, guys. So I hope this video was clear. And if you have any doubts, please reach out to me on www.asknams.com. If you have any friends, colleagues, your wife, your daughters, your sisters, or if you know anybody, any working professional whom you think will benefit from this program, please forward this video link. Okay, please forward this YouTube video link. I'm going to be sharing it primarily on YouTube and also maybe uploading this video on Facebook. So wherever you're watching it, or also, you know, Instagram. So wherever you're watching it, whether it's LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, please forward this to those you think, you know, will benefit from this program. Okay. So this is a 5-day online workshop on content writing, SEO, blogging, and website designing, basically. And it also includes digital branding. So it's like a kind of a digital entrepreneurship mini crash course. Okay. It's like a digital entrepreneurship mini crash course, which will really, really benefit all those who know nothing about digital. Okay. It, as I said again, it's for anybody who already knows digital or who doesn't know. It will give you a completely different perspective on the kind of magic you can create with digital on the whole. Okay. And of course, these are like the initial stages of digital entrepreneurship: having a website, writing content, blogging, you know, mastering the different forms of content, and then of course, you know, all the branding part. Okay. So all of these are the initial stages, and if you master all of this, okay, this itself will take you at least 15 to 30 days to digest, because there's a lot of stuff I'm sharing, and you can ask students from, you know, you can check out the testimonials from the previous students on how much of stuff I have, you know, included as a part of this course. Okay. So I do hope to see you enroll into this program. Okay. I do hope to see you enrolled into this program. And if you want to reach out to me, www.asknance.com. All right. Thank you. Namaste.